everyone. So today topic on the authenticating identity with webcam model. With the help of this model, we can detect the object using your computer webcam. So firstly, I can click on the view option. In the screen, you can see click on the enable webcam. When you can click on the enable webcam, then the model automatically detect the identity of a person, and also they detect the different types of objects. So firstly, I can click on the enable webcam. In the screen, you can see they detect my face and give their identity as a person. So I give another example. Here you can see they detect my phone as identity with a cell phone. Then I give another example. I give my water bottle. So here you can see they detect it as a bottle. And the third example, I give my mouse. Here you can see they detect it as a mouse. The technology behind use in the model, with the help of the Tensorflow.js, we can able to build this model. What is a Tensorflow.js? Tensorflow.js is a library for a machine learning in JavaScript. With the help of this library, we will build an application will detect your face, and also they detect different types of object using your computer webcam. Thank you.